Here we are. Nice. Okay, so I just had to drive home an hour with all this shit off. Anyway, as you can see, this I don't know, this weld must have broken, then this flapping around ended up breaking it off. Well, I'm the one that actually finished breaking it off because yeah, it would have fallen off anyway. So I had to drive it home. Now we have to fix it up. Done up. And that's there like that. Yeah, so it looks like it should be down like that, yeah. See how that weld in there sort of fits up? I hate this iPhone, eh? That weld, it's not exactly fitting up because it's bent now, but yeah, we'll make this work. Okay, here's what we've got. Should do the trick. You know, it's only Michigan cheap shit. It's only the home setup. A super cheap auto welder. Pretty dusty. I got some grips, hammer, grinder, cutting discs, the material, just some extra material, tape, little extension cord. That should be all I need. Okay, I just got this grinder recently for like 109 bucks. It's only 850 watts, I think, 840 watts. Still goes pretty hard. When I first got it straight into the big jobs, cutting a 15mm plate. Did that pretty well. Didn't really bog down at all. I didn't really, you know, force it to bog down, but it did what I wanted it to do, which is good. 109 bucks. That's the most unsafe feeling part about it though, these switches. That's alright. Yeah, anyway. Back to this shit, got this set up. I'll have to plug it all in, of course, but first we'll have to get the material. Oh, actually, I might prep this, and then try tack this on, and then we'll see what material we need, because then we'll have a better idea. It'll be easy to sort of measure it all out then. Anyway, let's get into it. Okay, so we got, you know, tacks all along here. Every time you use this welder, you get reminded of the quality. That's for sure. These are the offcuts I was talking about. Thick as. Thinking about putting one like here or something. Maybe here even. A bit more contact. Yeah, that might be better. Something like that. Before I tacked it on, this part was sort of bent down, so I use these grips just to bend it, and I'll do the same here just to line up this sort of piece. Yeah, see, that's much better. Anyway, working in there, couldn't really get the grinder in, but I managed to grind the broken off piece a bit, so hopefully that'll help connect onto the other side. Anyway, I'll do a run over it, see how that goes, and then we'll think about cutting out this extra material just to go over the top. So I don't know how the welds will go, don't know how long they'll last. I reckon that looks good. Yeah, that looks good. I reckon that would hold. What's the inside look like? Get a wire brush in there. Turn the flash on. What's it? Quick brush. Not much penetration. Not much penetration at all. Turn up the wire a bit. Okay, so no, back down goes the wire. Didn't like that. Okay, so I burned through there, but then I filled it up and sort of tried to run over it. I went through in a couple of places actually, but sort of fixed it up. Sort of had to weld a bit, burnt through, skipped up a bit, welded through, and then skipped up, you know, welded through. And then yeah, came back, fixed up all the holes. Yeah, could have gone worse, I think. Not the worst. I'll have to try get in there next somehow, if I can. Yeah, I got an alright bit. So we'll try welding there, and then I'll have to do just another run over that weld in there, hopefully. Okay, so we've definitely all seen better welds, but to save burning through that and causing drama in there where it's tight and I can't grind, I sort of welded a bit, stopped, welded a bit, stopped, welded a bit, stopped. And to be honest, I'm sure that'll be fine. Underneath is alright. Oh yeah, you can see where I burnt through up here, I think. After I grind, that'll be alright. Okay, just with my hands, I was able to pull a bit of that angle out. So it's a little bit better now. Okay, how's that? Got that in there. Obviously not the most pretty welds again, but they'll hold up. And it feels solid. It's definitely not going to go anywhere. We've got this on there now too. So yeah, it's not like that really gets any load on it, so it's not like it really actually needs that. If it does crack again, then we will be putting a plate on it. Okay, so that looks especially shit, but as long as there's something on there, it's better than nothing. So we're gonna leave that there. We're not changing that. All these welds here to stay. I'll just run a grinder over what I can, which is just those, and then I'll paint it. Spray paint where the welds were, just with primer, just so we know how strong it is. I'm not going to grind it completely flush. You know, battle scars make the trailer have a bit more character. And also I don't want to take all of the structural integrity out of this weld. Good stuff, that's it, that's done. Weld in there, weld up there. All cracks welded. Yeah, an extra little bit of support to prevent breaking next time. Here I have the primer that is not for automotive use. What does it say up here? Not for automotive use. Not sure if trailers count. Came from Super Cheap Auto and everything, so I mean I knew it wasn't for automotive use before I bought it. That's fine. Probably put too much on there. You know, it's fine. Oh yeah, fumes all in my face. It's good. Got it in already. Just to cover it up a little bit. As much as we can for now. Here I just thought I'd paint, coat everything in bloody spray lube. Although, sure it won't do anything. Maybe eliminate some squeaks of some kind. Save a bit of rust. The less rust, the better. Sort of dry to the touch. I'll just another little coat over the top. And then that'll be it. Oh, I forgot to paint in there. Blast walls underneath it quickly. Didn't even wire brush in there, but I'm gonna paint it over it anyway. Alright. That's good, that'll do. It's dry enough. Yeah, it'll continue to dry, but there you go, that's job done. Oh, we got another little crack there. I don't know if that's from cooling down, stress cracks or whatever. But yeah, you know, dodgy trailer repair complete.